Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Wheelhouse by NYCEEC, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Wheelhouse, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Wheelhouse login page. Once there, locate the sign in button and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email associated with your Wheelhouse account. Next, input your password in the designated field. Make sure both the email and password are typed correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password if necessary. Now, return to the login page after resetting your password. Enter your email and the new password you created. Once both fields are filled, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the Wheelhouse dashboard. In some cases, two-factor authentication may be enabled. If so, check your email or phone for a verification code. Enter the code in the designated field on your screen. Once you have entered the code, click Verify. After verification, you will gain access to your Wheelhouse account. If you encounter any issues, double-check your credentials. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Wheelhouse support. With a successful login, you are now ready to explore Wheelhouse features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.